Have you been trying to lose weight but nothing seems to work? Spending money on supplements, diets, or gym memberships, but still stuck at the same place? Well, today I'm reviewing something different. It's called Java Burn, and it's designed to help you lose weight by simply adding it to your daily coffee. Sounds too easy, right? Let's break it down. What is Java Burn? Java Burn is a tasteless powdered supplement that you stir into your morning coffee. It's made with 100% natural ingredients and helps boost your metabolism, increase energy, and support fat burning, all without changing your daily routine. How it works. Now you know the secret, let's find the science behind it. Java Burn works with caffeine to speed up metabolism. It triggers something called thermogenesis, your body's fat-burning mode. Plus, it helps with focus and mental clarity throughout the day. So instead of just drinking coffee for a caffeine boost, Java Burn turns it into a fat-burning drink. Key ingredients. It contains powerful, proven ingredients like green tea extract, boosts metabolism, and a good metabolism is crucial for maintaining bodily functions such as breathing, movement, and healing, and it plays a key role in homeostasis. L-carnitine helps burn fat, chromium reduces sugar cravings, L-theanine calms caffeine jitters, chlorogenic acid helps with carb metabolism, all of this with zero artificial fillers. How to use. Using it is super simple. Just tear open one packet, mix it into your coffee, and you're good to go. Thousands of users provided good feedback for this. They have already reported increased energy and even weight loss of 5 to 10 pounds in a few weeks. Though the results vary person to person, it is certainly providing good results. Final thoughts. Now you know all the necessary information of Java Burn, it's time to provide our conclusion. If you're looking for a safe, easy addition to your daily routine, Java Burn could be worth a try. We have included buying link in description box below. Click the link in the description to get it from the official website. And the good news, the company is providing 30 days money-back guarantee, so there's no risk in trying it out. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel for such valuable information. And make sure to press bell icon to get notification of our new release.